भोपाल सेंट्रल ग्रुप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल में ऐतिहासिक 2 दिवसीय मेगा इवेंट का समापन हुआ। यह आयोजन भोपाल की होटल विंड एंड वेव्स में हुआ, जिसमें शैक्षिकी और उद्योग क्षेत्र में नई दिशा पर चर्चा की गई, जिसमें देश की कई प्रमुख नेता एवं डॉक्टर एवं पत्रकार एवं समाज सेवी महान हस्तियां सम्मिलित हुई। कई बिंदु पर चर्चा हुई, कैसे युवाओं को रोजगार से जोड़ा जाए, कैसे स्वास्थ्य को और बेहतर बनाया जाए, कैसे मीडिया जगत में नई क्रांति लाया जाए। इन तमाम मुद्दों के साथ समापन हुआ। इस अवसर पर संपादक भारत के रंग और दबंग तहलका न्यूज के पत्रकार जाहिद खान का सम्मान किया गया और भोपाल के कई पत्रकारों को सम्मानित किया। कार्यक्रम का पूर्ण संचालक सेंट्रल ग्रुप द्वारा किया गया। इसके चेयरमैन डॉक्टर नितिन वर्मा ने इस सफल आयोजन के लिए सभी का आभार व्यक्त करते हुए धन्यवाद दिया।
जिसका समापन होने जा रहा है।
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर नितिन वर्मा, चेयरमैन सेंट्रल ग्रुप इंडिया एज वेल एज सेंट्रल ग्रुप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स मध्य प्रदेश। सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सभी पत्रकार बंधुओं और सम्मानीय पत्रकारों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करूंगा कि आपने इस 2 दिवसीय कार्यक्रम, जो मध्य प्रदेश के इतिहास में पहला एक ऐसा कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया जिसमें for the first time in the history of Madhya Pradesh we have organized an event in which we have involved healthcare sector, pharmaceutical sector, sports sector, media sector and insurance sector. The opening ceremony of this event was conducted yesterday, in which our chief guest was Chairman Nagar Nigam, respected Kishan Suryavanshi sir, my teacher as well as the former minister of the Madhya Pradesh government of Congress, respected Dr. Ajay Shankar Mehta sir, who is currently director of Bhopal Care Hospital. They both came and given their precious time for the opening ceremony of this one of unique kind of event which happened in which happened at Wind and Waves hotel, and the other guest speaker who involved and given their precious time and esteemed presence in this event were Dr. Saran Jain sir, owner of the Janam Sri Hospital, a well renowned gastroenterologist. After that, Dr. R.N. Sahu sir came, who is also a well renowned personality in the department of psychology, and he was the ex professor of Gandhi Medical College psychology department, and currently he is running a neuropsychiatric center in Kohefija Hospital, and his daughter Samiksha is leading that unit. Other than that, Pankaj Manoria, the owner of Manoria Heart Care Hospital, he also came and given his precious time and told us about what are the things which we need to be focused and take care for our heart. So he has given his learnings and what are the new things in the sector of healthcare and medicine which we need to take care of this. Other than that, today there were some entrepreneur talks also during this 2 days event, and now we are concluding this ceremony with an after a grand celebration, and we have got some of good entrepreneurs from Ahmedabad as well as from Bhopal, and some of the leaders of BJP government. For example, Manoj Katari ji from Vidisha also came yesterday, and he has given his entrepreneur talk on the Sri Ram Group, which he founded, and now he is running that Sri Ram Group in Vidisha, and he is also running a multi-specialty hospital in Vidisha.